Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out, then test driving this real deal 1973 Z28 Camaro. Four-speed car, great sound in 350 underneath the hood. Factory red and a factory Z28 with the black Z28 stripes.
Real deal, huh?
Real deal. Trim tag decoded on our site, and then with the 73s you can also tell a real Z28 by the T in the VIN number.
Wow, what a nice car, huh?
It is. Really nice under the hood.
Show quality under the hood.
Yeah. Engine runs great. You got power steering, power brakes, 4-speed. They only made 11,000 Z28s in 1973, and I believe only 6,000 4-speeds. And this one has the 4-speed. Nice set of headers. Bottom side of the hood looks great. Wow. Paint on the inner fenders here is very nice as well. Firewall's done nice. And here's your trim tag here too. Looks like it's got all the proper rivets. And you can see that decoded on our site and in the description of this video.
It's a really nice car. Good job on this one, D.
Thanks. I like that no one cloned it to a split bumper. You know, they kept the correct Z28 bumper, and it looks like it could be the original one as well. I mean, at least these bumperettes look like they're probably original.
Yeah, definitely.
They have a little pitting on them, but the bumper looks probably maybe new. It's got a nice shine. Grill looks good. It's got the front spoiler. Hood lines up nice. You want to go around this one?
Sure, I will. The other thing I like is they kept it all authentic. They left the original wheels on a factory Z. These wheels look great. And what a great color. And you said there was a factory red car
factory
as well.
medium red.
Got a couple little paint imperfections, tiny little chip right there. Back of the hood lines up nice. The black's nice and shiny on the hood. Really nice gap from top to bottom here in the door. Bottom of the fender's in excellent shape. Door all looks good as well. There's your dog leg area. No bubbles or blisters there. Over the wheel well is excellent. We have a few little water drops here. We have to, unfortunately, it's just kind of, you know, moving around a lot. It's just kind of a crappy time of year here. Just little water drops, but no bubbles, no blisters anywhere in that quarter panel. The dual exhaust comes out nice. Tire tread's in great shape as well. I did see one little ding here, Dalton.
Yeah, I think it's right here, just a tiny little chip.
Right there, very small little ding. Door jamb paint, the rubbers, everything looks gorgeous on it, don't it?
Yeah, interior's really nice. My favorite thing about this one is that 4-speed.
Yeah.
See, so many more automatics.
It's got a nice Hurst 4-speed. Door jamb paint, again, like I said, it's in good shape. Door panels are nice. Here's your corner of the doors. A dash pad does have just a little rise, very common, pretty much all of them do, just right there a little bit. No cracks, got the original steering wheel. All the plastic on the dash looks beautiful as well. The headliner's in nice shape, nice and tight. Back shelf has been redone, kind of in a carpeted pad there with MTX 6x9s and factory rear defrost. Back seat looks good. Bucket seats are in nice shape as well. Very nice straight car. As you look up and down the side, except for that tiny little ding we pointed out, very, very nice straight car in a great stance. Back bumper's nice. Tail lights are nice. Trunk jam paint looks good. Couple little chips in the trunk jam paint there, but the lip is nice. As far as your trunk extensions go, that is all excellent. Nice solid trunk floor. Also, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you check out the floor pan pictures as well. Another common area here for rust on these is right back here behind the back window. That's all in great shape. There's some chips around on that chrome on the bottom here. Just a little bit of chips on that chrome. Bottom corner of the door really lines up pretty good here. A couple little buffing spots. That might be buffing compound. Yeah, but there is a chip right here. Over the wheel well is nice. Behind the rear wheel is good. Tire size is 255/60 15s.
It's got a nice stance too. I didn't notice on both sides, like all of them have the factory lead line here. It's got a little paint crack there. And that's super common
It's
on
about
these.
this far too, not very far, just very small. Rest of the roof looks awesome, and also Dalton, the back of the hood all lines up nice. Here's your top of your dash. Black paint looks good there. Windshield looks good. Corner of the door, bottom of the door, all looks good. Door panel's excellent. Does have a remote mirror. It's got one.
Seat's got a little.
Yeah, it's got one spot in this cord right here. I don't know if I can push that cord back in. There you go. Just a wear right there and just a little bit right there. But it is original, isn't it? Carpet looks like it's original 2D.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure miles on it are probably correct.
112 on the interior.
Yeah.
Engine obviously has been redone. You
Yep.
can tell that. That all looks nice and clean. Runs great. Let's jump in to see what works and what don't. Roll that window up for you.
Windows go up really nice and easy as well.
A dome light does not work. Okay, that's one thing that doesn't.
Wipers work.
Heater fan works too. On a cold day like today. Looks like it works on low, medium, but not on high. Oh yeah,
Yeah, it does.
it's just a little touchy here, see it? It's on high, it works. All right,
Factory tack works.
gas gauge works. You got her filled up when it came in. We'll check on the factory temp gauge and stuff like
We got
that.
gauges down here. Oil pressure, excellent. 65, revs up to 80, 90 pounds oil pressure here on a cold start. Amp gauge works and temp gauge works as well.
Okay.
It's got a little Pioneer CD player.
Really, they did a nice job with the
here.
plastic around it too. It looks like it just fits right in there and it wasn't butchered in at all.
Yeah. And that works.
Here's your rear defrost here.
That works too. I can hear it. There's out the radio speakers.
I don't think so.
Freaking rear defrost works. That never works in these.
Awesome.
That's a
It's a
rarity.
good car. I'm gonna turn the air down or the heat down. It feels good though. Turn that down to low. Again, great oil pressure. We'll see if this temp gauge comes on. Did you get anything out of this radio?
Yeah, the radio works. Yeah. I just didn't go to a station, but
The console's in good shape. Besides the dome light, and it's even got this. Look at this. It's got the factory plastic. This is all
radio works.
nice and tight up here.
Yeah. And the one thing I liked about it, even just moving it around, is how the shifter feels and goes into gear. Real nice.
I'm really impressed with this one.
Yeah, these are some of my favorite cars, these second gens.
112,000 miles on it. And you can tell. I mean, the seat's original. It still has good padding on it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Guy that drove this must have been a little smaller.
Yeah.
Get out of the way of the garbage truck here. Speedometer's climbing for us. That looks good. It's got some storage.
It does. You can just tell it's just running well too. That carburetor's nicely dialed in.
And the motor's nice and tight. I mean, it's got some good power. 1973 engines, you know, back in the day
like
weren't super
245
high.
horse or
Were they?
something. Yeah.
Do you know anything about this drivetrain on this one? Did you check?
I believe it was the correct, the correct horsepower engine that the Z28 would have. It's the correct engine, not numbers matching, but the correct
good.
engine for the car, I
And
believe.
there again, we're not warmed up yet. I always recommend making sure that temp gauge is up to 150, 60 at least, before you take off in a classic. It'll run better here when we're on our way back.
Nice shifts. That exhaust sounds good
This
too.
thing pulls.
Yeah.
4,500 RPMs, 85 into 495 at 4,000.
Yeah.
What a car.
Yeah, it's got 373 rear end gears, as it would have from the
You
factory.
wouldn't know it as far as though.
Yeah, it doesn't wrap out, it just
No.
runs awesome. That's what I like about the
Here's
small
your-
blocks.
Here's your brakes. Guys did an awesome job on your brakes. No pull left or right. How about the idle?
Yeah.
You know, you're just
idle
hitting the
moves.
brakes. It ain't completely warmed up yet. Still has a beautiful idle. The guys tuned it well. See how now it's just getting
couple cars
you see how now it's getting just a little more warmed up.
Mhm.
It's just a lot more user friendly on that clutch.
Yep. Yeah, it helps to get them warm.
Temp gauge still hasn't started climbing yet, but it's charging good. And you still got 60 pounds of oil pressure. But here's what I'm talking about as we're taking off.
Yep.
It's just way
You got a
different.
nice clutch too. The release point stuff on
Just
that's
go through
really
a
good.
shifter quick. Second. Are you sure on the 373s?
That's what the guys wrote on the check-in
Okay.
sheet.
Feels like it's long-winded. Nice shifter. There's your synchros in third.
Down to second. Yeah. Tranny and synchros are all really nice.
Beautiful shifter.
Fun car.
Wow. This thing, I put this against any small block on the lot, man.
It's fast.
It's going to take it.
It's a fun
This
car.
is no 245 horse anymore.
Yeah, they must have built it up
It's
a little bit.
350 or better. Look at that. I put it up against some of our big blocks right now.
Yeah, it's a quick car.
It drives
Tuned
straight
well.
too. The steering's awesome. The steering box is nice and tight. Tranny's awesome. Brakes are great. This one's just ready to roll, D.
Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.